Okay, we're just making keys to a 2002 AU Falcon, and we've got a couple of seconds to wait, and then we'll test the keys. It's a manual, this one. I'll take the battery charger off. I'll do that now. Put that there. Another 8 seconds to go. We've got 2 transponders just sitting here. I've just done a perimeter reset. The door locks are cycled. The fact that the starter motor actually turns, we know that the transponder is actually programmed to the car, so I just grabbed another one. Okay, so there we have it. We'll make keys. So the key for this is different than the door, so it will lock the door, but it won't unlock the door. Okay, so we've decoded and cut a key. This is, will it work? And it does. Alright, thanks for watching.